what is happening in the mirror world?
I most certainly can, Mila.
Morphle love mirror world! Orphle!
No, Morphle. Put him back inside me. That's awful. In the mirror world, everything is opposite of what it's like in our world. And since Morphle is very friendly, I'm afraid that Orphle will want to do nothing but bad things.
Good thinking. We can't have Orphle running around the city creating a mess. Come, Morphle. Let's play with Chroma for a while.
Hello, Morphle. How are you today?
Oh, police officer, nice!
Oh, whoa! What are you doing?
Orphle!
Morphle, you can't just leave me here.
Sounds like someone's looking for you, Morphle.
There you are, Morphle. Now get me back down from here. Thanks, but I don't appreciate these kind of shenanigans.
Sure, no.
It was you who put me on the roof in the first place.
But Morphle was with us inside the whole time.
No, he put me on the roof and he was laughing about it, like this.
Oh no! That sounds like Orphle! We need to find him.
What are you doing, Morphle? Are you building something?
What?
Hey, what's the deal here? This isn't fun, Morphle. But if that's Morphle, who's that? Who's winning?
And who's the real Morphle?
We need to make sure Orphle can't pretend to be Morphle anymore. Chroma, paint Orphle green.
Orphle green?
I hope we've seen the last of Orphle. Everyone, give it up for Bubble Bear! Thank you, Bubble Bear. Up next, with our special music power, Melodino!
I want a magic pet. Oh, this is nice. Stop making so much noise.
Huh?
Why did I just sing that? Oh no!
What are you up to, Winston?
Nothing at all. I've got to get out of here.
Winston took Melodino! We need to get her back!
Not too fast! Get away from me!
Give Melodino back to us now!
Huh? You're singing. Wait a minute, I'm also singing.
Morphle singing too.
Stop, Winston, stop! Winston, stop! Never, never!
Not in my city. I didn't know I had such a lovely singing voice. La 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 la.
The bridge is going up. That doesn't bother me. Watch this.
Morphle, we gotta get up there!
Morphle get naughty Winston.
You'll never catch me.
out!
Here they come! Morphle morph into a trampoline and catch them! You're safe now, Melodino. I feel sick.
We've seen some excellent talent on show here today.
But the most amazing display of talent was what you three did. Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
This is Robofreeze version 3.0. Very pleased to meet you all.
Hello.
Very pleased to meet you too, Robofreeze version 3.0.
Hi, everyone. This is C-Rex.
We're taking him to the beach to meet Troy, his magic match.
According to my pet primer, C-Rex's magic power is controlling water.
Wow!
It's okay. He's still a baby, so can't fully control his powers yet.
Well, keep that water away from Robofreeze. It could make him go haywire.
Affirmative. You're under arrest for splashing me.
Oh no, he's malfunctioned again.
We have to get C-Rex back. Yeah, he's Troy's magic match. Morphle, help! Morphle! Morphle! Stop! Don't worry, C-Rex. We're here!
Out of my way, citizens.
How are we going to stop them? C-Rex, try using the water from the fountain.
I can't see. This pet is going to jail.
Keep chasing! Yee-haw! We need to get C-Rex to Troy. He's too fast! What are we going to do? Oh, the giant wave! Morphle, morph into a kiteboard.
Riding waves is not permitted.
Whoa! Whoa! C-Rex, stay focused. You can do this. Good job. Grab it! Mila, look, there's Troy. Troy, this is C-Rex, your magic match. Hi, C-Rex. Wow! Amazing!
That pet is still under arrest.
Morphle! C-Rex!
Too much water.
C-Rex, thanks for being so handy. Great work, C-Rex. Aww.
Look, Morphle! Everything's lost its color!
Wow!
Morphle, morph into a magic paintbrush! Morphle, grass isn't blue, it's green.
Oh!
great, Morphle.
Watch what you're doing. My light was green.
My light was green. White.
Uh-huh. So you're the one who has been stealing all the color from the city. You shouldn't do that. A world without color isn't fun at all.
Oh, Tiger funny.
Yeah, that is funny. Let's paint some more animals in funny colors.
Yay!
Oh, there you are, Chroma. I was looking for you. There are lots of problems in the city because you took away all the colors.
Morphle can help Chroma paint everything back to its original colors again.
Well, it seems you were right. Please, go ahead.
Wow, you solved all the problems in the city already. Morphle and Chroma make a great team together.
Yay!
Oh no! Some of the magic pet letters have escaped, and I only have A, N, Q, W, V, and Y.
Don't worry, Daddy. We'll find them. Is that one of the letters?
It's the D for Daddy. Any letters you catch with this magic hoop will end up back here.
Oh!
H for Hoot.
Yay!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can find the letters super fast. Let's make today magical. R for race car. B for bus. C for car. F for fire truck. P. Well spotted, Morphle. P for police car. Look, there's J for jail, and it's escaping. I wonder if there are magic pet letters here. K for kite.
Ice cream.
Oh, I for ice cream. Good job, Morphle. O for Orphle. L for lion. G for giraffe. Z for zebra. E for elephant.
Yay!
Morphle, morph into a helicopter so we can look on the beach.
Morphle, morph, morph. S.
Well done, Morphle. S for sand. There you are. U for umbrella. Look, letters in the tree. Morphle, morph long arms to reach them. Great. T for tree. Now hoop the M for monkey. Awesome, Morphle. X marks the spot. I think we have all the letters now. Let's go back to the pet center.
Thanks for finding all the magic pet letters, Mila and Morphle.
Every day's is a magical day with a magic pet. Look, Morphle, like this.
Morphle too! Morphle too! Aww.
Don't worry, Morphle. You'll get the hang of it, but you'll never be as good as this little guy. Meet Boba, our newest magic pet. Boba loves blowing bubbles. He tends to bubble over with joy from it. Whoa! See?
That looks like fun.
Boba, this is high enough.
I can't get out. Morphle, morph into something big.
Huh? Ah! Thumb trap! Now Morphle saved Mila! Mila? Uh-oh!
What is... Help! Help me!
Morphle, help! Whoa!
Oh no! There's a car falling from the sky! Phew!
There you are, Boba. Listen, you can't just blow your magic bubbles everywhere. It's causing lots of problems.
Daddy!
Morphle, can you pop my bubble? Oh, whew. Thanks, Morphle.
Oh no! Uh-oh.
Mila!
You saved me! Thank you, Morphle!
Yeah!
Nice. I was a bit on the bubble whether I'd see my car again.
Well, Boba, next time you bubble over, please don't take it so literally.
Morphle, this is Grav.
Hello, Grav.
As you can see, Grav can make things float.
Wow! Floaty! I'm okay.
Don't worry, Grav. This is the Magic Pet Book. It shows where magic pets come from.
Did you hear that? She said that book's where magic pets come from. Let's steal it. Hello! We'd like to buy some magic pet treats.
But you don't have any magic pets.
We, feed them to our dog.
You don't have a dog either.
We just want some, okay?
Okay.
Yes!
Huh? That was strange. Winston and the bandits took it. Grav, you stay here. Morphle and I will get it back. We have to find that book. Look for its magical glow. It's too bright to see the lights from the book. I know how we could find it. We'll need Catmo's help to change the weather. Catmo, this is an emergency. Can you make the biggest and darkest clouds you've ever made?
Thanks, Catmo.
Oh, don't be afraid, Grav. We need it to be dark so we can see the light coming out of the Magic Pet Book. There, I see the lights from the book. Let's get there fast! magic pets come from?
Why don't you just have this magic pet?
Be careful with him. Why? What's he going to do? Huh? This. Get that book!
Get that pet!
Morphle! Morph into a lasso! We've got you, Crab! I've got it! No! Great work, you two! We've got the book back! We should probably help them down. We don't want your help.
We don't? I mean, we don't.
Suit yourselves! Amazing work, Chroma! Are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic pet tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not magic pet tea.
Sugar rush!
Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's magic pet tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's magic pet tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle, morph it to a satellite so we can scan the whole city.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and Morph!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your magic pet tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet.
Bounce higher!
Hi, Mila, Morphle, Boba. Check out my latest invention.
Wow! It looks amazing!
What'd it do?
It can make anything bigger.
Can it make Boba's bubbles bigger?
Only one way to find out.
Oops! Oh no! The Magic Pet Center! Now, fly over to the Magic Pet Center and pop that bubble. After the bubble pops, morph into a parachute so the building gets to the ground safely.
I sure hope he heard you.
Morphle pop bubble. Morphle parachute. Danger all done.
You are under arrest. You have the right to remain giant. Any bubbles you make can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Whoa.
Oh no! Everything's in bubbles. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Morphle morph.
Now, hold still. There he is! We're here to help you, Boba. Now we have to take care of the other bubbled buildings. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Mila, Morphle. Caregiver Kamal called. He says he needs your help at the zoo.
Okay, Daddy. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Mila, Morphle, great! I need your help. Could you and Morphle help bring this penguin, camel, and monkey to their new homes in the wild?
Sure.
Great!
We can all fly in Morphle the Flying House. The desert is hot and dry. It's the perfect home for a camel. Morphle, look! It's a dragon! I think he wants to come with us. I think we can find a new home for him. Right, Morphle? Yay! Uh-oh. The South Pole is the perfect home for a penguin, but it's way too cold for a dragon. Okay, let's go to another place. The rainforest is the perfect home for a monkey. Uh-oh, but I think the rainforest might be too wet for dragons. It's not easy finding the perfect home for a dragon, but we're not giving up. Look, Morphle! It's a volcano! This is a perfect place for a dragon to live. Okay, dragon. You seem very happy in your new home. Now it's time for Morphle and me to go back home. Dragon! Oh, now I get it. You're a magic pet. It doesn't matter where magic pets are in the world. They won't feel at home without their human companion. But I already have a magic pet, Morphle. But I know where we can find you a great human companion.
What?
At the Magic Pet Center, we'll find you a magic match in no time. Good catch, Mila. It landed right in my hat.
Shark! There's a shark! Ah!
Oh no! We have to help him! Morphle, morph into a speedboat so we can get there fast.
Morphle! Morph!
We're coming to get you! Uh-oh!
Morphle stuck?
You're trapped in seaweed. I'll help you, Morphle. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I didn't see where the shark went. I guess it swam away.
Morphle, you have to morph back into yourself to get free. Don't worry, you'll be safe, I promise. We're with you and the silly shark isn't around anymore. Let's play. How about follow the leader in the water? Follow me!
It's the shark again!
Wait, I know that giggle. I think Orphle is just pretending to be a scary shark. He's pranking us.
That's not very nice.
No, it's not. Maybe we should show Orphle how his prank made us feel. Morphle, please morph into a bigger shark than Orphle.
Morphle! Morph!
We won't be mean, Morphle. Just swim around Orphle. Orphle, it's not really a shark. It's Morphle. You pranked us, so I wanted to show you how it feels.
Orphle, sorry.
I'm sure you didn't mean to scare anyone.
Orphle, play.
Oh. Why don't we all play a game together?
Yeah!
We could play hide and soak.
Or dolphin polo. Morphle and Orphle can morph into dolphins and we can ride them.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Don't let the ball fall in the water.
Shark!
It's just me.
It's not a shark. It's a daddy wearing his shark fin hat. Oh, Daddy.
Hey, how about a daddy and dolphins race?
Yeah! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Hey, cute little fella. It's so funny to think that one day you will be big and scary.
With this zapper that we stole from Professor Paula, we can turn these animals into giants.
We're gonna have a great day at the animal sanctuary, Morphle.
Yeah!
Mila, Morphle, the bandits are zapping all the animals into giants.
Oh no! We need to get the zapper back. Morphle, morph into a superhero.
Isn't this great, Marky? Oh no! No, no! Ah!
Give us the zapper, bandits.
I don't think so. Yorn, zap them! Uh-oh, we didn't think that one through. We'll be back!
Yeah.
Great! Now let's zap back all the animals. There! It's the penguin! That's one. Hi, we're back.
Great! But... Huh? Oh no! You've become very small. But you're still great animals. Hey!
Wow! That star flew super fast across the sky.
That's a shooting star. Take a look.
Wow!
If you wish on a shooting star, the wish will come true.
Shooting stars make wishes come true?
Orphle gets star, make wishes!
Let's go somewhere higher up so we can see the shooting star better. Like on top of a mountain. Morphle, morph into a super suit.
Morphle! Morph, morph! Orphle, go faster! Get star first!
Morphle, morph a jetpack onto the super suit.
Orphle, take shortcut!
Orphle's going the wrong way.
Orphle win! Woo!
That mountain is a volcano. You need to get off it now.
Orphle catch star! Get wishes forever and ever!
Orphle! No! We've got you, Orphle.
Orphle wanted to catch star!
Stars are a lot farther away than they look. I think we should all make a wish together.
Together?
Morphle, morph into a magic flying house.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh, look at that star. And that one.
Orphle, get star!
Orphle, you caught a star.
Wow! All make wishes?
Yes! Let's do it. Morphle, Orphle, close your eyes and make a wish. I wish every day was a magical day with magic pets.
Peekaboo!
Having fun?
Winston? We're playing peekaboo with the baby Morphles.
I wouldn't play that because I have better things to do. Like taking a baby Morphle for myself.
Okay. Back to the game. Get ready, babies.
Woo!
Oh, peekaboo. Huh?
Baby's gone!
They're probably just playing hide and seek. Morphle, morph into a giant butterfly so we can find them.
This is my chance to get one of those babies.
Does anyone spot them? No, maybe we should fly closer to the ground. I wonder if there's someone behind the sandcastle. Let's take a closer look.
Excavator!
What a surprise! Now let's find Fifi and Lily.
Baby Morphles, where are you?
Shh! I think I heard Fifi! One baby left. You're right. Let's find Lily.
I've done it, Claude! I finally have my own magic pet!
Winston has Moe. Morphle, you know what to do. It's okay. I don't think I need a super suit.
Let go!
Now's your chance, Jordy. Hey! You did it! We did it? Wait, we did it!
I'll get a magic pet one day.
Yay! We still have to find Lily. Ta-da! Ice cream! Ice cream! Huh? Oh no!
Morphle, I know what will cheer you up. Blah.
My invention is done! I've invented a youth serum, which I will demonstrate on my assistant.
Oh, that's so cute.
I don't know how to take care of a baby. You have to take her to her daddy while I make an antidote to change her back.
Mila, no cry. Mila, hungry? Mila! Mila, where are you?
Ooga gaga. Wow. Hey, Morphle. Boy, am I glad to see you. I had the strangest dream. I dreamed that I was a baby. Isn't that silly? Huh? I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city. Look, it's Orphle. Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
What? How did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze. Quick, Orphle, morph into something big.
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera.
Come and get it.
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no! It's Mila and Morphle! Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
Morphle! Morph into a T-Rex too!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
That's not big enough!
Huh?
Morphle! Morph into a robot too!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
I don't feel so good! Orphle, stop that!
Okay! Orphle tired now!
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Come on, Morphle. Help me plant this flower for Daddy. Wow! Ooh, I wonder what's inside. It's a treasure map. Well, part of a treasure map. See this X? This means the next piece of the map is at the port.
A piece of a treasure map? Nice! I'll let Mila and Morphle find the rest of the map, then take it for myself. Good thinking, Winston.
This is where the X is. We have to dig next to that tree. Great digging, Morphle. Yeah, it's the second piece of the map. Look, another X. This one's up the mountain.
Up on the mountain?
Come on, Morphle. Whoa!
This is where the second act should be. Morphle! I know! Morph into a triceratops and smash it! Uh-oh! Woohoo! Look, Morphle! It's the last piece of the map! Treasure! And I think I know where it's buried.
Oh, take that. Thank you very much.
Winston! Don't worry, Morphle. This isn't over yet.
This is where the treasure must be.
The treasure is at the beach.
I'm almost there. Aha! Treasure, here I come!
Woohoo! Come on, Morphle! This is it, Morphle. Morphle, morph into an excavator and let's get that treasure! Keep digging, Morphle! We're so close! Ooh, could it be? Ooh, a treasure chest! Wow! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. And a chest full of treasure!
Happy birthday, Morphle! Look! I made the perfect Morphle red ice cream!
We weren't invited to the party?
I don't want to celebrate with Morphle's dumb red ice cream, Uncle Yawn. I want purple ice cream and I want it now!
I've got a plan, Winston. We'll steal the ice cream truck and make some purple ice cream ourselves.
My ice cream truck!
Come on, Morphle. Let's get the ice cream truck back. Can you morph into something that will help us see the whole city?
Morphle! Morph, morph!
There it is! Oh no! We're stuck! Morphle, morph into a super suit!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
After we make purple ice cream, we'll throw our own party and invite no one!
Stop giggling and make it! That's not purple!
Ice cream gone!
Don't cry. Morph magnet hands so we can bring that truck back.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
New plan!
Run! They're getting away! Morphle, morph into a brachiosaurus to catch them!
Bracky, brack, 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 brack! Morph, morph!
Still want my purple ice cream since I wasn't invited to Morphle's party!
Winston, is that why you stole Geraldo's truck? Oh, I'm sorry. You must have felt left out. Hey, I have an idea that will make everyone happy. Purple ice cream!
Thank you. I'm sorry we took your truck. Happy birthday, Morphle.
Yay!
Ew!
into a horse. A flying horse? Even better.
Cake, prepare to be arrested inside my mouth. Huh? Ooh, animals on the loose? Not in my...
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll fix this. Whoa! We need to stop the wild animals. You're a genius, Morphle. We'll build a wall to block their way. April, we'll come back for these animals after we save that monkey. Love your sunglasses, by the way. Thanks. We need to stop that cheeky monkey. Wait for it. Gotcha. Oh no! April's hypnotized. No, I'm not. I was talking to a new friend. Your sunglasses! They protected you from getting hypnotized. Can I borrow them, please? Look! The animals are back to normal! I think you're just trying to make friends, not hypnotize anyone.
You know, as your new look is a hoot, I think you should keep the sunglasses.